Hello friends, we are going to talk about cascaded prompts in web intelligence. My manager, John, he was a bit annoyed with a sales report where he feels that user input is not very friendly. He was showing me the report prompts. Report is based on eFashion Universe, that when he selects product line addresses, related categories are not prompting. Same way, after picking casual dresses for category, he has had a lot of unrelated SKU numbers to select. His requirement is genuine. Since there is a tree relationship between these objects, expectation is that when John selects dresses as product line, only associated categories should be available to pick and so on. When a hierarchical display is desired, cascading list of values is one solution. I created cascaded LOV in eFashion Universe and showed the updated report to John. He was very pleased. Now he can visualize SKU numbers that come under proper hierarchy structure. He can expand these nodes and view only related items. Would you like to see how we can create cascaded list by using information design tool and by using Universe Designer? Welcome to Around BI. Cascaded list of values has a hierarchical display in prompt. Rather than showing a flat list of 1000 items, I would prefer to display a tree view that will help my users to go through parent and subsequent children. In this video, we will see how to create a cascaded list of value using Information Design tool and Universe Designer. I have opened IDT and pulled eFashion Universe into local projects. On the business layer, left side bottom, we can see parameters and list of values. Click that to create a new LOV. Click on plus symbol and click on list of values based on business layer objects. Give a proper name. We need to add objects that will form hierarchical association. Our requirement is to add product lines, category and SKU number. Click on add dimension. From product class, select lines, category and SKU number. Click OK. These three objects are selected. If we click preview, we can see under each line we have related categories and successively related SKU numbers. Close the dialog box. The order of objects is very important here. It defines which object is parent and which one is a child. If I promote category as first object and click preview, I can find LOV structure with different order. Now category is at highest level and lines are coming as a child. Close it and set lines as top object. Save the .blx file. Now go to business layer and select object that is at lowest level in our hierarchy, that is SKU number. We need to set its LOV as cascaded product LOV that we just created. Click on advanced and select list of values. From the list, pick cascaded product LOV, save.blx file. Let's test how cascaded LOV will come in Webby report. Create a new query by clicking queries and click new. Select year, state, lines, category, SKU number and sales revenue. In query filter, select SKU number and make it a user prompt. Click OK and execute query. You can see LOV is coming in proper hierarchical order. To get the SKU number for dresses and casual dresses category, I am expanding that hierarchy and selecting the required number. Everything looks good. After that, we will publish that universe to repository. To create cascaded LOV in Universe Designer, I have imported efashion.unv file. Click on Tools, List of Values, and create Cascaded List of Values. From the dialog box, select objects that are forming hierarchical relationship for SKU number. We are selecting lines, category, and SKU number and moving them into right pane. With checked hierarchical view, we can see the association between selected objects. Click on Generate LOVs. If you have already created a list of values for one of the objects, you will be prompted to overwrite, in which case click OK. Cascaded LOV is successfully created. Save and export the universe. We will test the changes in Web Intelligence by creating a report. I have picked eFashion universe that we just modified. I am selecting few objects and keeping SKU number as a prompt. After running the report, here is our cascaded list. Let's expand these product lines. We are getting hierarchical structure, and this relationship is simplifying my pick for correct SKU number. This is all about cascaded prompts in Web Intelligence. Stay tuned for our next video on index awareness, in which we will find how index awareness improves report performance. Thanks for watching.